Ready?
Let's do it.
As you get deeper into marathon training, you start to realize what you're actually capable of. Your speed, your endurance, your VO2 max, they all start to improve. But sometimes the mental game, that's a struggle. Mental toughness is a key puzzle piece when it comes to running a marathon. Some days it's just tough to get out the door. I mean, the daily monotony of getting up early, getting dressed for the bitter cold temperatures, going out and running easy miles over and over and over again with the occasional speed workout makes you wonder, what is all this for? I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say that it's all sunshine and rainbows. Marathon training, it's hard. The one thing that keeps me going is knowing that I can do hard things. I mean, sure, there will be tough days, but continuing to show up and putting in the work, it pays off in the end. And with this Boston build-up, I'm learning more and more of what I'm capable of. And also, I have yet to figure out correct layering from the transition between winter and spring.
Today is the first day of spring, and this morning, it definitely doesn't feel like spring. I'm wearing 4 layers, mittens, hat. The real feel today, 23 degrees. The real feel tomorrow, 21 degrees. Thursday, 19 degrees. So, kicking off spring, nice and warm.
Putting the temperatures and weather aside, Wednesday's workout tested me mentally and physically.
Got hill repeats today. I got 4 downhill repeats, followed by 4 uphill repeats. So that'll be interesting. I've done the downhills before, but the uphills, I'm like, it's so brutal. But hills pay the bills, I guess, right? That's the saying. I don't know. But I'm lucky enough to have several hills to choose from for the specific workout, if you want to consider that being lucky. And also, on top of this hill workout, I think I have too many layers on. It's always a guessing game this time of year. Whew. That's one down. 3 more of these to go. Alright, 2 down. Definitely messed up the beginning part. The second one, I forgot I had a 10-second rest at the top. So I'll take that rest this next time. Alright, that's 4 down. Just gotta go up the hill, turn and go back down as recovery, and then it's back to sprinting up the hill for the second half. Ooh, yowzers. I just feel like Jello. Yowzers. That's 1 out of 4. Ooh. Oh boy. It's 2 down, 2 more to go. These are brutal. Alright. Last one. These are tough. Holy cow. Definitely starting to fade a little bit. Now I have 1 more. Alright. 4th one is done. The workout is done. I just gotta cool down now. But the problem is that I have to jog down this hill and then do my cool down, starting back up the hill again. Boy, am I lucky to have so many hills in my area. You'd think I'd be used to it by now. Nope. That one hurt a little bit, but all done. Had to get the hills in, and actually it was a beautiful morning for a hill workout. I had to take my gloves off, my hands were like super warm, so I guess that's a good sign. The night before every long run, it's pretty much the same thing, except I changed the pasta up. So it's usually pasta and some homemade sauce, keeping everything nice and simple. Same thing goes for the morning of a long run. Today I'm going with 2 packs of the maple and brown sugar oatmeal. I have 18 easy effort miles on deck this morning, and I'm actually meeting up with a buddy of mine who's helped me through a lot of my training workouts. We pretty much run around the same paces when it comes to training runs and races. So it's always nice to have someone around that actually can run with you during these specific time periods. But this morning we actually needed to start a little bit earlier. He has 2 little ones, so he needed to start a little bit earlier as well as end a little earlier also. But hey, I'll take any miles I can get with anyone, especially when it comes to a long run. Now, after 3 long runs of rainy and just brutal weather, I was expecting to have a little bit of sunshine this Saturday, but knowing my luck, that did not happen. So today I was running in the rain. Again. Ready?
Let's do it.
Here we are on another Saturday where it's raining on my long run. What a surprise. Although I feel like this should definitely prepare me for Boston. Between this, every weekend, and running Mesa in the rain, I would love to have it be sunny and like 40 degrees on race day. Raining a lot harder now. I got about a mile left. Just wrapped up 18.25 miles. It is raining even harder. It is cold. I just need a nap. I'm gonna take a shower, get warm real quick. It's definitely cold out here. Whew. All right, just got back and my shoes are completely waterlogged. So after rainy day runs, I always do this one thing with my shoes. And it's just put newspaper inside the shoes and make sure you take the soles out first. But stuff some newspaper in there, get them dry within a day or so. Another tough week is in the books. But you know what? This isn't the toughest week because next week is peak week. I just have to keep reminding myself I can do hard things. So it's time to lace up and get after it. I'll see you in episode 6.